Hey YouTube, it's the test lead, and today we're going to discuss you rethinking the process of collecting tech certifications. Whether it's network certifications, QA certifications, security certifications, I'm going to walk you through the process and say, hey, is it really needed? Every single day when I log into LinkedIn or Twitter, I see the same people posting that have a new certification. And then I think to myself, didn't they just post last week that they had another certification? And the week before that? And before that? So these people are just collecting all these certifications. In today's fast-paced, never-changing tech field, some people see that collecting certifications can be a way to, one, stay relevant, and two, have career advancement. However, while there are some benefits to getting certifications, there are also some drawbacks and negatives that you should also consider. In this video, I'm going to discuss both the pros and cons of getting certifications and let you decide what you do from here. First, we're going to start with the pros of getting certifications. Certifications can be valuable. Certifications can help you gain credibility and show that you have a strong understanding of a particular technology. For example, if you are working as a network administrator, having a Cisco Certified Network Associate or CCNA certification can demonstrate to your employer that you have the skills necessary to manage a network effectively. Next, some certifications can lead to higher pay. In some cases, collecting tech certifications can lead to higher pay. According to a survey by the Global Knowledge, individuals with certifications in certain technology areas can earn up to 16% more than those without. And last but not least, certifications can help you stand out in an overcrowded job market. When applying to jobs, having a certification can help you stand out amongst other candidates. It can demonstrate to potential employers they have a strong understanding of a particular technology and are committed to continuing your education. This is especially important for people who are new to a field and don't have experience yet, but still want to stand out. So sometimes jobs want people with experience, but you have a certification to supplement that makes up that instead. So those were all the pros of getting certifications. Now let's talk about some of the cons of getting certifications. One of the biggest ones, certifications can get expensive. Collecting tech certifications can be expensive. Exam fees, study materials, and training courses can all add up quickly. If you're not careful, you can end up spending a significant amount of money on certifications, and then your return on investment may not be what you think it is. Next, certifications are not required by all fields. Not all tech roles require certifications. For example, if you are working as a web developer, having a certification may not be as valuable as having a strong portfolio of work. It's important to consider whether a certification is necessary for your role that you're interested in. Certifications can be very time-consuming. Studying for a certification exam can be very time-consuming. If you are already working full-time, it can be difficult to find time to study and prepare for an exam. It's important to consider whether the time investment is worth it for your career goals. And last but not least, and most importantly, usually having actual experience is worth more than a certification. Practical experience is highly valued in the tech industry. Employers are looking for individuals who can solve real-world problems and work collaboratively with others. While certifications can demonstrate theoretical knowledge, they do not provide the same value as practical experience. So now let's wrap it up so you can make your decision. As I just discussed, there are definitely some pros and cons to getting tech certifications. While they can be valuable for gaining credibility and showing understanding of particular technology and potentially earning a higher pay, they can also be expensive, time-consuming, and not necessary for all roles. It's important to approach getting certifications with a strategy. Plan out, what will this do for me in my career? Does it align with my career? Is it even related to my career? Like I said, I see people on LinkedIn and Twitter getting random certifications. If it's not related to my career or it's not a side hobby, why are you getting it? Having all these different things on your resume that aren't relevant is just wasted space and wasted time. Instead, focusing on getting experience, building a network, and creating an actual portfolio that might be more valuable for you in your career. So long story short, certifications can be valuable, but just make sure that you're approaching it with the right mindset and you understand why you're getting that particular certification. If you're interested in getting help with your QA journey, check out my book, QA Must-Know Vocabulary, as well as my course, the Manual QA Academy. And most importantly, don't forget to learn something new today.